Hey guys and my Ryans. Hey, I'm gonna show you how to fix a noise problem. Watch this. Hear that? That's better. You just keep tapping on it. It'll eventually about go away. Hell yeah. All you do is put your radio on a 45 hertz test tone and just burp the shit out of it, and it'll shake the guts loose out of everything. Here it comes back. Hit that side. Watch, you put your hand over a certain area and it quit altogether. Just touch shit. It's definitely right in here. Yep. I believe I can probably make it go away if I pull all this out and find out what the fuck jarred loose. Yep. Can you believe that? Look here, you just touch shit. So it gets worse. Look. Listen to it. Now you can hear it good. Watch. That's when the fans come on. Let's see. That's pretty good. And honestly, that's not real bad when you tap her and get it to go away, because that's there's 27 speakers in here, man. I don't think people realize that, but there's 27 in here. Come on. They just see them couple up there and go, oh, there ain't but a couple in here. No, there's 27 in the front. Fucking morons. I guess I have to take this apart, man. See what's going on. Sounds good when you just touch the volume up one notch. But yeah, we was playing a 45 hertz test tone and just bumped it. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'll run your ass slam the hell out of here if I do that. You ain't gonna like it, because I didn't. It's just about gone. Just there's back worser. Do like the Fonz. Hey! Just tap shit. Hey! See? Hey! Alright, you guys take care. Have a good day. Fix your noise problem. Just beat on fucking radio. I don't know, man. It's probably touching the chassis in there again somehow. I might have to dig into that. Yep. Alright. Figured I'd share and show you. Just do the Fonzarelli on it. See, it's bad. Hey. Take care.